everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable rainbow cupcakes. It's such an easy technique, way easier than you expect, and it's such a cool way to like blow away your guest or whoever you're making the cupcakes for because it looks so much trickier than it actually is. And before we get started, I want to let you guys know that my cookbook is now available and it's called Unicorn Food. It has it is all the rainbow recipes, so if you're looking for some more rainbow recipes, I suggest picking it up. Shameless plug. I'll have it linked in the description box below. It's right behind me too, and the cover is actually glittery. So if you want to check it out, link is down below. And anyways, yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I will have the recipe for the cupcake mixture, batter, and the buttercream in the cards right here if you guys want to check it out. But I figured that since that isn't like central to the recipe, that I can just send you guys the links if you don't have your favorite vanilla cake recipe and buttercream recipe. I actually dropped these off at my friend's house last night and everybody was like in love with them, so these are I guess friend approved. But anyways, to make the rainbow swirl, oh my god, it's so easy. What you want to do is get 6 colors of buttercream, or basically any amount of colors that you like. I use 6 because that will be enough for pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. I like using pink in place of red just because I feel like it softens it a little bit, but you guys are more than welcome to use red if you like. And I pop them into piping bags. With no piping tip, I just slice off the ends. This isn't necessary, but it makes the process a little bit cleaner, so up to you. You don't have to use piping bags. You can use a spatula as well, but totally just up to you and what you have at home. And next we have a piping bag, and it is fitted with a 2D piping tip. So that is the star-shaped piping tip. If you don't have it, I'll link it in the description box below. It's fabulous. You can use it in so many different ways. Oh my gosh, it's wonderful. Super, super versatile piping tip. But again, you can use any kind of piping tip that you like. A circle one will give you a nice little kind of ombre effect and a nice little smooth little dollop. That would be really cute as well, but again, totally up to you. So you just want to pop that into a piping bag, and then you want to put the piping bag in a tall glass. This is going to really help you because it just gives some stability to the piping bag when you're filling it. And so now, one at a time, we're going to pipe in the different colors of the buttercream. This is where putting them in piping bags is kind of handy because it makes it nice and clean when you're piping vertical stripes into the piping bag. But again, you can also just use an offset spatula. If you don't have one of those, I'll link it in the description box below as well. Really handy for the kitchen, but like cake decorating as well, so it's a good tool to have. But either way, you want to basically, in your mind, divide the piping bag into 6 different little vertical columns, and then pipe the buttercream in whichever order you like in those columns. And then ideally, once you're done, the entire piping bag will be full with vertical stripes of your color. So once that's done, just simply close the piping bag, twist it around your hand, and then pipe it into a beautiful swirl. And all the beautiful work is done for you when you pipe it out because everything melts together and it is stunning. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I said 6 and I'm just realizing I use only 5 colors. But if you do that, or if you kind of skip middle colors, when the buttercream is being piped, the colors will meld together in the borders where they're touching, and you will get a little bit of an ombre effect. So if you guys can see here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You do see a little bit of purpley here. So there's the pink, there's the blue, and then in between it kind of gives a purple look. That's just because they're next to each other, so the buttercream does blend a little bit. So there we go. The more you know. And then here's a little swirl of all the colors together. Oh god, okay. Oh, that one fell. That's why I didn't include that one in the shot. Whoopsies. But yeah, and then you are done. So this technique would work perfectly, obviously, on cupcakes, or you can do little dollops on a cake as well. It would be so cute. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. Also, a playlist with a bunch of other rainbow recipes, so I'll have that linked in the cards right here if you guys want to check it out. If you have any other rainbow recipe requests, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. It would mean so much to me. I'm hoping to get to 100,000 subscribers by Christmas, so if we can make it happen, that would be the best Christmas present ever. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for an all-new video. Bye!